Join in the smoothie revolution, drink smoothies and lose weight. Start your weight loss journey with us on the Smoothie Diet, 21-day weight loss program, where you will lose weight and get the body you always wanted. On the 21-day diet program, you will learn how to make delicious smoothies, for rapid weight loss, increased energy and incredible health. All the smoothies are given in a very specific sequence and frequency to maximize your results. In 21 days, you will feel slimmer, full of energy, and a whole new you. The Smoothie Diet is a new life transformation system that not only guarantees to help you lose weight and feel better, it also promises to eliminate more body fat, faster than anything you've tried before. By joining the program you will get a full 21-day weight loss and health improvement program, over 36 delicious fat-melting meal replacement smoothies recipes, shopping lists for each week, to make it easy for you to get everything, smoothie making tips and preparation guide.
With this amazing smoothie weight loss diet program, you will also receive 2 bonus packages. The first bonus is the 3-day Smoothie Detox. We believe this detox program to be worth more than the whole program in itself. The idea of this is to clear away all the cobwebs and get your body ready before you actually start the 21-day program. Bonus number 2 is the Quick Start Guide. This is a fast-track to-do list to get you on the go straight away, until you get time to sit down and study the full core guide, which contains the schedules, shopping lists, and smoothie recipes. When you go to the Smoothie Diet website, you will read actual testimonials from real people, showing you real results on what they have achieved on their 21-day weight loss journey. There is also a full question and answer section that will answer any queries or lingering doubts you may have about starting your journey on the Smoothie Diet. There is also a full 60-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you decide that this program is not for you, your money will be completely refunded, no questions asked. If you would like to say to your friends, "Look at me, this is what I did with smoothies," click on the link in the description below and start your 21-day weight loss journey. Feel slimmer, full of energy, and a whole new you.